Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today we will see how to fix scoring bug in LearnDash Quiz. So in this channel I always give very good information which I accumulate in my experience over the time. So please subscribe to my channel and watch video till the end. So first we check what issue is coming. So at here I start quiz and I have one question, and question is like this: to protect your online account you should use. So if I give password, then it should give 2 point, and multiple factor authentication, then it should give 5 point. So I am using password at here. So answer is password, and check it is correct. And now quiz summary, finish. Now it is 5 point out of 5, so 100% score. But at here you can see at here I give only 2.4 password and multi-factor authentication 5 point, but it is taking 5 point which I give general in general. So how can fix? So for fix you should give go to question settings, and at here you can enable different point for each answer, and then click save, and then click save. Now we will test again. Start, and at here like now I am giving password only. Now it is correct. Quiz summary, finish. Now it should be only 2 point, not 5 point. 2 out of 5, because we have that option, so 5. And now restart quiz. Now I will enter authentication point, multi-factor authentication at here. Like at here, if I am advanced user, advanced student, then I can put multi-factor authentication as answer, and check correct, and quiz summary, finish. Then I got 5 out of 5. So by this method you can fix this issue very easily. And one more thing I want to explain it here. If this is for fill in the blank, and if you have like multi choice, then how can do that? So like at here I am using and this simple question. And click at here, save, and now change multi choice at here, and put some option. I am giving only 2 options because to save time. also one option with none. Okay, add answer and save. So at here, if I give answer, then Chrome, Firefox, etc., then it will give only 1 point. Which is also good. And if you want to enable if anyone give Chrome, then 1 point, 2 point, and Firefox then 3 point. So you can add here different point for each answer, and at here you can put point, Chrome for 2 point, and if anyone give Firefox, then 3 point, and then click save. Now we will check again. So first we will give as password. Next question, and then quiz summary, and we get 4 point out of 10 point, because 2.4 here and 2.4 Chrome. So by this method you can fix issue of score bug. And if you like this video, then please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.